Hello, hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Sri Hari Raghavendra Academy. So today I am here with the question paper, a problem on August 2021. So we have a fifth problem here, which has basically been on a flexible budget. So before beginning the today's class, I would like to start a class with a prayer of Lord Hayagriva and Saraswati Devi. ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलास्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे नमस्ते शारदादेवी काश्मीरपुरवासिनी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा ॐ हयग्रीवाय नमः ॐ नमो सरस्वतीये नमः. So let Lord Hayagriva Swami and Saraswati Devi bless you all with a good knowledge and success. So now let us start analyzing this problem, students. Rainbow Limited has prepared the budget of production for 1 lakh units of commodity manufactured and the cost incurred as follows. So whatever the information that they have given is for 1 lakh units of production. Okay, we have raw material, direct labor, direct expenses, then work overhead. 60% is fixed mean, 40% is variable. Administration overhead 80% fixed mean, 20% is variable. Selling overhead 50% fixed mean, remaining 50% will be variable. Actual production during the period was only 60,000. That means that actual information, the budgeted information is given for 1 lakh rupees, but actual production has happened only for 60,000 rupees. So we need to calculate the revised cost per budget. So I have done it here. 1 lakh unit cost per unit and total cost 60,000 unit cost per unit and total cost. So let us try to do this problem. Shri Hari. So it is flexible budget of which company? Rainbow Company Limited. This name, this is very simple. Firstly, we will start with raw material 2.52, which is a variable cost now. Raw material is 2.52. Now 2.52 will remain constant as variable cost per unit will remain constant. So 2.52 into 1 lakh units will come to 2,52,000 into 60,000 units of revised budget, 1,51,200. Next we have a direct labor of 0.75. Direct labor 0.75 into 1 lakh unit, 75,000. 0.75 into 60,000 units will be 45,000. Now direct expenses is 0.10. Direct expenses is 0.10. We'll write it. Direct expenses is 0.10. So 0.10 into 1 lakh units is 10,000. Then 0.10 into 60,000 units is 6,000. This is the problem, students. So let us try to do it. Now we have works overhead, which is 60% fixed and remaining 40% will become variable. Now I will write here works overhead. Now here we have fixed cost and variable cost. Total 2.25 into 60 divided by 100, 2.25 into 40 divided by 100. So let us try and calculate what is this. 2.25 into 60% is 1.35. 2.25 into 40% is 0.9. So 0.9 remains constant here. 0.9 into 1 lakh units will be 90,000, 0.9 into 0.9 into 60,000 units will be 54,000. Now 1.35 into 1,35,000 will be the cost here. So total cost will remains constant. So 1,35,000 divided by 60,000 units, 2.25. Okay. Next we have administration overhead 80%. Administration overhead 80% fixed. So administration overhead, again we will have two classification, fixed cost and variable cost. 0.40 into 80 by 100, then 0.40 into 20 divided by 100. 0.40 into 80% will be 0.32, and this will be 0.8, that is 0.08. So variable cost per unit will remain constant into, I think it will be 8,000 rupees. Yes, it is 8,000. Now this is for 60,000, 4,800. Now 0.32 will appear here, 2 into 1 lakh units, that is 32,000. And in the case of fixed cost, total cost will remain constant. Why I am treating all this? If you have a confusion, you have to watch my first 7 problem solutions, then it will be very easy for you to know how these things are calculated. 32,000 divided by 60,000 units is 0.53. Next we have lost adjustment here, which is selling overhead 50% fixed, which is 0.20, and other 50% will be becoming a variable overhead. So selling overhead, fixed cost, variable cost. So 0.20 into 50 divided by 100 into 50 divided by 100, 20, that is 0.10, that is 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. So 0.1, I think 1,000 rupees will be 10,000. Now 0.1 into 6,000 units, 60,000 units will be 6,000. Now 0.1 into 1 lakh units will be 10,000, and 10,000 will remain constant here. So 10,000 divided by 60,000, 0.16. Now I think we have done with all the adjustments here. Now the thing which is left over is to calculate the total cost. Let us try to calculate. This is MBA August 2021 paper. So let me write here MBA August 2021 question paper problem. Okay, now we will calculate total cost. Total cost is like this: 2.52 plus 0.75 plus 0.10 plus 1.35 plus 0.9 plus 0.32 plus 0.08 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, which is 6.22 multiplied by 1 lakh units, which is 6,22,000. Now the second one is 2.52 plus 0.75 plus 0.10 plus 2.25 plus 0.9 plus 0.53 plus 0.08 plus 8 plus 0.16 plus 0.1 7.39 into 60,000 units 4,43,400. By this we have concluded the question paper problem solution, and I hope you enjoyed the class. So please do subscribe to the video, hit a like button and share it among your friends as well. Thank you all. Have a nice day and have enjoyable learning.